5 ways to spot fake Botox. I'm Dr. Kish at Seriously Skin, and I wanted to talk to everybody today about what's going on in our industry, which is the issue of fake counterfeit Botox entering the US market. To this point in time, there have been 19 reported injuries because of fake Botox, resulting in at least 9 hospitalizations. These patients are having issues from difficulty breathing, difficulty swallowing, problems with their vision, and who knows what's going to happen continuing going forward. So 5 ways to spot fake Botox. So first of all, when you get a Botox vial, the vial should come directly from the manufacturer. There are really very few secondary companies that can sell you these products. So they have to be distributed by the manufacturer, and they need to be distributed to a medical facility. They can't go to somebody's home. So that's number one, which you're never going to know that as the patient. But as a patient, you can ask your doctor, can I see the vial? When you look at the box, the first thing you will see is there are 2 safety seals that have like a little bit of a hologram on them on the top and on the bottom. That's sign number 1 that you have authentic Botox. Number 2, the bottom of them is typically black. It has the lot numbers, the expirations, and also some tracking information that the company can use to track these lot back. In case we have an issue as real licensed providers that there's a problem with our drug, they have to be able to trace this lot number back to the manufacturing stage. So those are a couple things. Another thing is that US license 1145 should be also on the box as well as on the vial. So a lot of times when patients get treatments, they don't bring the entire box in. I don't bring the box in half the time with my patients, but if somebody wants to see it, of course I have it. On the vial, there is also that US license 1145 on the vial. And then on the vial, it's hard to see at a distance, there is a hologram on the label that when you look closely, it says Allergan. So those are 5 ways that you can spot fake Botox. Who's at risk for fake Botox? You're at risk for fake Botox if you are not going to a licensed provider. Typically, it's safest to be with someone who's been there for many years. We have a history in the industry. We know our reps. If you are a patient in my office, you know reps come in and out all day long, and they know us very well. That's one sign that you're potentially in a safe environment. The second thing that shows you that you're in a safe environment is if they are accepting the Brilliant Distinctions Alley program. This is a way to get patients coupons. If facilities don't accept this, then they may have a little reason why they don't. And you have to wonder why they don't accept these programs. How connected with the company are they really? That's a big question. So seeing brochures, that's another thing that's a big concern. If patients don't have access to brochures, that means are they really getting authentic Botox? The reps come, they give us brochures, as many as we like. They're completely free. So if we want a ton, we get a ton. Of course, everybody goes out from time to time. But if you don't have access, if you don't see brochures or any marketing in the office with these products, then you have to wonder, is it really authentic? Because these come with your shipment of Botox as you request. So those are some things to worry about. How to stay safe. Stay out of hotel room Botox. Those are super high risk. Hair salons, they're not medical facilities. That's very high risk. And anytime you're at a house party, you're at very high risk of encountering counterfeit products across all platforms, but especially with Botox Cosmetic. So please be safe. Go to a licensed provider and one that has a big history in your community, because then they have that longevity that we look for.